Good afternoon, dear student. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay, students. So after a long time, so this is Joy Singh, your maths teacher. I welcome you all in a maths class. So dear student, take out your maths book. I hope you all are doing very well at home, and also hope you all are studying at home. Okay, so you all have done very well in your half yearly examination. So now we are going to start our new unit. Okay, that is unit 7, division. About division we have discussed previously also, but today again I am going to discuss about the unit 7 chapter. So take out your book and open page number. You all have taken your book? Okay, students. So take out page 100. 100 is what? Division. Okay. It is what? It is division. Page number 100. Okay. It is division. So what do you understand by division? Division is what? If we divide equally. Okay. आप जब किसी भी नंबर को इक्वली डिवाइड करते हो 2%, 3%, 2 number, 3 number, so that is division. Okay, division means dividing equally. Okay, and it is the symbol of division. Division means dividing equally. So you all know this, and you all know the symbol of division is this. This is what? It is a symbol. It is symbol. Okay. Now see here, student. Division as repeated subtraction. Division is what? Multiplication में आप क्या करते हो? It is a repeated addition. आप बार बार add करोगे तो that is multiplication. And division is what? It is a repeated subtraction. आपको subtract करना होता है बार बार, repeating. Okay. So see here. See here, page number 102. We are going to do the exercises today. Okay, page number 102. Okay, here it is given, divide by means of repeated subtraction. Divide by means of repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Okay, by means of repeated subtraction. So here you can see 12 divided by 4. Okay, 12 divided by 4. So this you have to do by the repeated subtraction. So see here. Now repeated subtraction means you have to subtract 4 by 12 again and again till it comes 0. जब तक 0 नहीं आएगा आपको क्या करना है इसमें? You have to continuously do the subtraction. So see here, 12 minus 4. One time I have done here, one time. So 12 subtracted by 4 is 8, and here becomes 0. Again minus 4. The second time I have done 4. 8 minus 4 is what? 4. Again 4. Again minus 4. 3 times. Means 0. Okay? 3 times. So 12 in 12, 4 जो है वो 3 times 4 आता है 12 के टेबल में. सॉरी 12 नंबर जो है वो 4, 3, 4 मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं? 12 बनता है. ठीक है. So here 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Means 3 times you have done here subtraction. Okay. 12 minus 4 is 8. Again minus 4, second time you have done, so it comes 4. Again minus 4 आपने किया 3 times, so it comes 0. So means 3 times. So 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. So this is the correct answer. So do it in your book. One more is 6 divided by 3. अब यहाँ मैं कर रही हूँ. Now 6 minus 3 one time comes 3. Again minus 3 2 times 0. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So answer is what? 2. Answer is 2 because 2 time में इस यहाँ पे 0 आया तो it is 0. So sorry, 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Now 28 divided by 7 is equals to, now 28 में से minus 7 आप करेंगे one time. 8 minus 7 1, here it 2. Again minus 7 2 time. 7 माइनस करेंगे तो इसमें हो जाएगा 11 minus 7 is 4 and here is 14. Again 7 3 time. 14 minus 7 becomes 7, comes 7 and again 7 4 times it comes 0. Means answer is what? 4. Answer is 4. 28 divided by 7 is equals to 4. So it is the right answer and like this only you have to do it in your book. Okay? Do it, student. Done everyone? Now some more question I am solving. See. Now see here, 15 divided by 3 is equals to, now in 15's table 3 comes, 1 minus, it comes 12, again 3, 2, it comes 12, 9, again 3 times, 6 minus 3, again 3 minus 3, here it comes 0, 5 times. So 15 divided by 3 in 5 times. Okay. Now 24 divided by 4. 24 minus 4, 20, 1 time. Again minus 4, 2 time. 16. Again minus 4. 3 times 12. Again minus 4. 4 times 8. Again minus 4. 5 times 4 minus 4. 0. 6 times. So answer is 6. Now 36 divided by 6 is equals to 36 minus 6. 1 time comes 30. Again minus 6. 2 time 24. Again 6. 3 time it comes 18. Again 6. 4 time 12. Again 6. 5 times 6. Again 6. 0. 6 times. Answer is 6. Okay. So like this only you have to complete. 4-5 more questions are there, and I hope you all will do this very well. Do it, student. It is what? Repeated subtraction. Done, everyone? See here one more question. (24) divided by 3. Okay. So in 24's table, in 24 you have to subtract 3. Okay. So here it comes 21. So 1 time. Again 3 you are going to subtract 2 times. So here it comes 18. Again 3 times 15. Again 3, 4 times 12. Again 3, 5 times. Here it comes 9. Again 3, 6 times. इसको मैं ऊपर लेकर जाती हूँ. Here it comes 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 7 times. Again 3, 8 times. 0. Okay. So 24 divided by 3 is in 8 times. It comes in 8 times. Okay. So these all are about the repeated subtraction. Okay students, and you have to complete page number 102. Okay. 102 को आपको complete करना है. Okay, homework is page 102. You have to complete, okay, in your book only. And in the next class I will explain about the division as a reverse process of multiplication. division जो है वो reverse process of multiplication भी है. So in the next class I am going to explain. Okay, so till then keep learning, stay home, stay safe, stay practicing. Bye.